Today we're talking about this 22-inch water wave headband wig. It's really curly. The hair is really soft. When you put it on, you put it over your edges. So the edges is a protective style. So when you put it on, it protects your edges and your hairline. So when you wear it, otherwise it may rip some of your hair out. It's okay. You just slide it on and attach the Velcro at the back. There's Velcro at the back. Just slide it on and off throughout the day. This wig is 22 inches water wave. It's very soft and vibrant. It's movie, it's wavy, it's cute and long. It's a protective style, so when you put it on, you put it over your edges and it won't rip your edges out or mess up your hairline. And you just Velcro it in the back. There's no glue needed. There's no tape, glue, spray, none of it. It has three combs in it, or four combs in it, one for each side of your head, so make sure it's secure. It has elastic bands on each side where you can make it loose. It has no lace front because it is a headband wig, and they have this black headband. It's Velcro, and you snap when you slide it on. You touch it to the back of your head, and you can leave it like that, or you can tuck the Velcro underneath the wig. When you put the comb on, the hair is very wavy and long. 22 inches water wave. When you get it wet, it looks even more wavy and curly. You could also, if you wanted, you could straighten it or curl it like regular curls. It's soft, it's human hair. The hair is really long and cute. It's 22 inches, it's soft, it's vibrant and bouncy. It doesn't stay in one place. You can wet it or you can have it dry. You can curl it or straighten it or just leave it like this, or you can wet it and it will get even curlier because of the texture. This protective style helps your hair grow because it is underneath and it's protecting your hair from all the glue and stuff that you would use in a lace front. The headband wigs are very protective of your hair. No glue or anything is needed. You just slide it on and Velcro it in the back. The Velcro is not very long. It is right for your head, and you just Velcro it together and snap it. You can take it on and off throughout the day. And yeah, this is the hair. It's bouncy, wavy. The front of your head, and then Velcro it in the back, like so. You Velcro it, it looks nice and cute and long. It's not frizzy. The hair is 100% nice, long, curly, wavy, however you like. You can style it however you like. You can even put it half up, half down, bouncy and vibrant. And when you wear it, it's protective. It doesn't cause any damage to your hair. The headband you can replace. You can fold it or tuck it under because it is attached to the hair, and you can use your own headband. Sometimes you can even wear this headband by itself. Some people like to wear it by itself. It's cute either other way. 22-inch water wave headband wig. It's nice, long, cute, vibrant. Slide it on and off, and it's a very protective style. Nothing is getting ripped out. It's Velcro. The hair is long. It has combs in it and elastic bands to make sure it's very secured on your head. It's really cute.